Hey, what's up? In this video we are going to review another Wi-Fi extender. It is called Rock Space AC1200. This is dual-band Wi-Fi repeater with 1200 megabit per second speed, WPS button, Ethernet port, and up to 120 square meters coverage. The price of Wi-Fi extender is about $45, but I have coupon code with $7 discount. I will leave the link to the store and coupon code in description under the video. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Rock Space AC1200 comes in a small box. We can see the image of Wi-Fi repeater on the front. On the back there is the image with coverage of a Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi extender. The main features are at the bottom of the box. Inside the box there is only a Rock Space AC1200 Wi-Fi extender and user manual. As you can see, Wi-Fi extender from Rock Space has US plug. If you are from another country, like me, then you will need an adapter. There is also a sticker with the MAC address, SSID and other technical information about the device. On the front side we can see 3 LED indicators, signal, WPS, power and WPS button. There are 2 external antennas on the side faces. Reset button and Ethernet port are on the bottom. That's all. Rock Space AC1200 has many holes all over the body. I think they are necessary to cool the device. Okay, now let me show you how to connect the Wi-Fi extender to the router. Rock Space AC1200 has 2 connection methods. The first one is to use the WPS button. You just need to press WPS button on the router and Wi-Fi extender. In a few seconds both devices will be connected to each other. However, I recommend you to use the second method, because you can choose network name, password and other settings. First, you need to plug in Wi-Fi extender. Wait until the power indicator will be blue. Then take your phone, laptop or computer and connect to Rock Space extender network. Open web browser on your device and go to re.rockspace.local website. Now you need to enter the new password. On this page, choose the network from your router. In my case, this is Alex. Now enter the password from your router network. After that, you will see the message "Extended successfully." By the way, I recommend you to read the tips on the screen. The first tip says that you need to move the repeater halfway between Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Also, you can use a signal LED color to choose the best location for Wi-Fi extender. If the signal light is blue, then you choose a good place. If the light is red and it is off, then you need to move the repeater closer to the router. The networks from Wi-Fi extender have the same SSID as your router, but EXT and 5G EXT at the end. Now let's check how this device works. As you can see, the signal indicator on my Wi-Fi extender is blue, which means that I chose a good place for it. Wi-Fi speed at 2.4 GHz is 49 megabits per second. And 67 megabit per second at 5 GHz network. I have 100 megabit per second internet speed, so Rock Space AC1200 has a very good performance. Also, I want to check the speed via Ethernet cable. As you can see, wired speed is a little higher than wireless. Wi-Fi extender is very useful and even must-have device if you have a big house or apartment. Rock Space AC1200 has easy setup, dual-band support, good Wi-Fi speed and coverage. It is also very affordable, only $37. I will leave the link to buy this Wi-Fi repeater in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.